And to education matters now, Nigeria needs an additional 20,000 schools and more teachers to address access to basic and quality education. This was disclosed at the presentation of the 2018 National Personnel Audit report presented by the Universal Basic Education Commission in Abuja. Helen Osamede Akins reports.
The federal government in 2018 launched a National Personnel Audit to produce a data bank of pupils, students and personnel of public and private basic education schools in Nigeria. The aim was to ensure authentic and accurate data on the number of schools and allow country know the number of its children out of school. Today, the report is now presented before partners in the education sector.
The National Personnel Audit is key to the realization of the objectives of the Ministerial Strategic Plan because everything ultimately depends on it, since without data, you cannot plan anything.
The Universal Basic Education Commission is highly pleased to inform this august gathering that it has, working with its partners at the state and local government levels, put in place a dynamic data collection regime that will see to the periodic update of the new national education database.
The report estimates 10,193,918 primary-age children are not in school. This translates to about 25% of all primary school-age children. When this figure is disaggregated, it shows that 68% are boys, while 32% are girls. Also, the NPA report shows that there are 27,889,387 learners in primary schools, with 22,384,755 in public primary schools and 5,504,632 in private schools. According to the report, Nigeria needs more than 20,000 schools to ensure access to basic education.
For Nigeria to have over 99% of all the children covered, we need 20,000 more schools. However, the first 5,000 schools are the most critical because they can be able to give us close to 98% coverage of all the children.
The report recommends that government at all levels should build more schools and classrooms, employ qualified teachers wherever they are needed to ensure an increased access to education for all children nationwide. Helen, Osamede, Akins, TVC News, Abuja.